Hey guys, it's Tony. So something crazy that just happened is we saw a really nice pump on all crypto all around, and it actually happened after Elon Musk tweeted a picture of his dog, and I forgot what his dog name is. It's like Felix, something with an F probably, but it's a picture of a Shiba Inu, right? And then you see doggy completely pumped to the upside. I did open, I think, 2 shorts on doggy. And I actually opened up a bigger one. Well, actually, I opened one while I was on my live, and I opened up a second one after, when it actually pumped to the upside. So again, you guys know that I martingale it when a position is not necessarily going my way. So I martingale it so that my position is at least somehow balanced, and then I increase the lots anyways. Completely different from what I was trying to say, right? So we were actually we were 99% on the verge of closing the 4-hour candle on Bitcoin bearish, right? So if you guys were on my live, we even saw the candle right here on the reverse MACD. There was a green bubble created right here, that was green, which indicates a bearish candle or a lot of bearish momentum to the downside, right? But as of right now, we were actually right here somewhere, right? But it completely skyrocketed to the upside, where it looks like we're gonna actually create above the previous candles open, which is super insane. Because here's the thing: the daily right now, the daily is about to close, is also looking at closing bullish for Bitcoin, and I really want to see how this plays out, because I want to see what happens, especially right now that we actually delayed that 4-hour candle. And we actually created a brand new bullish candle on the reverse MACD. So now it's super interesting. Now the fact that we actually have the week, because the week is still going to close bearish, right? The week is still going to close bear 100%. It's going to close in 22 minutes. It's going to close bear. There's no way that the week does not close bearish unless we have a random pump to above like 51,750 bucks, which is like essentially a lottery ticket if you're betting that that's going to happen, right? But keep in mind, what is pretty interesting is, you know, what happens if this actually ends up being a really good push. We have really good support here at 45K on Bitcoin, and we end up mooning, right? What happens then? The weekly might actually get completely canceled out, and then next week, what if we actually close a bullish week while being overbought on the stochastic? If something like that happens, I can see Bitcoin starting its rally to like $84,000 plus. I'm telling you guys right now, if this weekly close on the bear side for Bitcoin actually gets somehow, it gets completely nulled, and next week we actually end up closing a bullish week, I'll tell you that right now, I can see an easy move up, or at least the start of us going back to relative highs, which was 51, 52K, or even going up higher than that to $84,000, which is actually the real return of the monthly bullish of a monthly bullish close. So keep in mind, we had the monthly was even showing even stronger. It was showing candles like this. The June 1st close, right? The June and July, the June 1st, the June close, the May close on the month. It was not showing up like this weekend bear right here. This is essentially a weekend bear month that just got created because we had a really big, massive push to the upside from 45K to where it is now. So things just got really interesting. You know, yeah, you're gonna see a death cross here soon on the 4-hour, but you know, on the daily, it actually is gonna be looking like if we keep this consistent move to the upside, it actually looks like you're gonna make a golden cross. And if that happens, it just got super interesting, guys. Super interesting. On my live, I went from being completely short the market to possibly selling my full portfolio of crypto because the monthly had a really strong candle creation on the bear side, to this random ass pump that we just had after Elon posted a picture of his dog. So it's super interesting what's going on right now. I really want to see how the daily plays out. The daily again is about to close a bullish trigger on the reverse MACD while we're already oversold on the stochastic, and it looks like it's actually going to be triggered to move and push this on the momentum towards the upside. super interesting what's going on, and a complete reverse of events. So let's see what's going on. As of right now, I'm still short Bitcoin, still short doggy, but I want to see what happens, how big of a push we actually have, especially after this candle. I don't know, we might actually go back to 47, 48K maybe. If we break relative highs of 47,387, we can definitely see another 48.7 Bitcoin. Super interesting what just happened. We got to see what's going on the daily. I really want to see what's going on. If this keeps pushing, the 4-hour candles keep pushing to the upside, that is a very interesting turn of events that I would have never predicted. And the thing that it might have triggered it was a stupid fucking picture from Elon Musk. So awesome turn of events. I want to see what's going on. I can't say that I'm completely bearish now, even after we closed the weekly, because we had a random pump to the upside and all of the triggers went back to being kind of neutral. So this is super interesting. I'll see you guys later. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.